This is silver holographic microflake. And this is silver holographic superflake. And then this is hyper holographic pearl. Now sure, there's been cars sprayed in silver holographic flake, and there's even been ones done in holographic superflake, and we've done a couple in the hyper holographic pearl, but never in the history of mankind has there ever been one vehicle that has all three of these holographic powerhouses mixed together and sprayed on the same vehicle. We are breaking molds today. We don't know how many more videos we're going to get in this spray booth here before it gets broken down and moved over to our new facility, and then we're going to have to get real creative, so we wanted to get a little weird with it. First, the base color. We wanted to do something different, a little bit unique, not just go over black. So we saw the S4 had a carbon lava ZBR Hypershift blend on it, and we thought that could be a good base for this holographic madness, right? Are these all going to work together? Well, there's only one way to find out. So in goes the silver holographic microflake. This is going to be the heaviest of the bunch, but it's only like a 0.004, I think, so it shouldn't be too bad as far as adding texture. But what we really want to do is lean on the superflake and, of course, the pearl, because these are going to give us the most intense holographic effect with not adding any texture at all. So this stuff, very delicate to work with because it's so light and fluffy. You got to keep everything real low or it'll float off on you. This is going to be for sure the largest particle, but still a foil, so it's going to lay nice and flat. So now we've got the small flake and the huge flake, and then what's going to tie it all together, because what's going to happen is the hyper holographic will kind of fill in between all the flakes and hopefully give us a real smooth rainbow effect down the entire car. Here's the hyper holographic. Yeah, very dense. It looks just like a pearl, but it's got an incredible holographic effect. So let's get this blended in there. Let me show you what this is going to look like over the old stick of truth here. Okay, yeah, there's a lot of things happening here. All right, so here's what we've got. See if we can show it to you with a flashlight here, because without the direct sun, it's going to be hard to see the madness here, but again, the goal is to create the most holographic vehicle ever made. So if we have to dump a bunch more pearl and stuff into this, we will do it. No rules. We're going ham. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project, and the goal here was to create the most holographic car of all time, and we're taking it outside right now so we can show you how we did. You know what to do. Take a good look at this car, leave a comment below, and rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love how it came out or if you don't, and if you want to change the color of your own car, whether it's with permanent paint or peelable paint. We have a ton of kits, a ton of colors, and they are all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this project. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.
Bye.